Furniture China is set to take place at the Shanghai New International Expo Center, bringing together a diverse global audience of industry professionals.
Welcome to ilikevents TV, your gateway to the world's top exhibitions and trade shows. Let's explore today's event.
Recognized as a premier furniture trade event, the expo showcases an extensive range of contemporary and classic furniture, cutting-edge design concepts, and the latest smart home technologies. Visitors can explore every aspect of the furniture sector, from home decor and interior design trends to innovative materials and sustainable solutions. Hosted by Shanghai Sino-Expo Informa Markets, the event provides an essential platform for sourcing products, discovering emerging trends, and building valuable business connections, making it a must-attend gathering for manufacturers, designers, and retailers worldwide. Furniture China is an event, and I like events.
Want to join this event? Check the link in the description for tickets, hotels, and booth services. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to stay updated with global events.